Welcome back to the Graphic Designer's Toolbox. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the fundamentals of Adobe After Effects, from setting up a composition to adding sound, text animations, and exporting your final video. Before we begin, ensure that you have the following software installed: Adobe After Effects, Adobe Media Encoder, and Adobe Bridge. Let's get started. Open After Effects. Close the home screen. Set your workspace to default. Go to Window, Workspace, and click Default. Next, let's click on New Composition. In the pop-up for now, under Preset, click on the very top 920 by 1080, 24 FPS, and click OK. Now let's go ahead and save our project. Click File, Save. In your Documents folder or on your desktop, create a new folder called My AE Video. Now let's name your project My AE Video 1 and click Save. Now we'll organize and gather your assets. Here in Finder, inside of your My AE Video folder, create a new folder called Assets. Use your own video or find one on sites like iStock Photo, Shutterstock, or another free stock video site and download it. Then move it into your Assets folder. Now grab a logo, preferably a scalable EPS or Illustrator file that's white with a transparent background. Add that to your Assets folder. Lastly, find a sound file on Freesound, Envato, Krotos Audio, or another sound website you like and download it. Drop that into your Assets folder as well. It's time to import these assets into our project. Double-click anywhere on the project panel on the left. Locate your Assets folder, select your MP4 video file, and click Open. Next, let's import the logo in the same way. Double-click the area below your video file to bring up your Assets folder. Click on your Illustrator or EPS file and import as footage. Don't check anything, and click Open. Leave layer options as merged layers and click OK. Last, we'll import the sound file to your project in the same manner. Let's set up the video file correctly. First, drag the video down to the timeline. If scaling is needed, click the video on the canvas, and on the Properties panel to the right, use the Scale property to fit it. Now let's adjust our frame rate and project duration to match the video we imported. In the Project panel on the top left, select the video file. A preview of the video file and information will appear above. Mark down the time to the right of the triangle. Next, mark down the frame rate, FPS, shown next to that. Make sure to click back to your composition, go to the top menu, click Composition, Composition Settings, change both your frame rate and your duration based on the notes to match the video itself. Let's also change resolution to third. This will help you work faster. And click OK. Save. Drag the playhead to the beginning of the video, far left, and then click the space bar. Time to add the logo. From the project panel, drag the logo down to the timeline above the video layer and resize and position it where you'd like. Next, we'll add a solid color. Go to Layer, New, Solid. Modify the color as you'd like, and click OK. Drag the solid layer above the video layer. Change the solid layer mode to soft light. Open the layer's properties by clicking the arrow next to it, and then again click on the transform arrow to see the features. Adjust the opacity to 30% and click Save. Let's add a headline text and then we'll animate it. First, go to Layer, New, Text. Type your headline text, highlight the words. On the text panel to the right, change the font, size, and color. On the paragraph panel to the right, align it centered. On the Align panel, let's align the composition to centered. With the words still selected, click Open the Effects and Presets panel on the right. Open the Animation Preset Details. Click Open the Text folder. Click the 3D text. Select the first effect. Now go to the Panel Options drop-down menu and select Browse Presets. This will launch Adobe Bridge. Double-click the text folder. Click on a subfolder to open it. Preview the animations. Double-click on the animation that you'd like. I'm using 3D Random Spiker Tumbler, which is in the second row, 6th in. Bridge will automatically apply it to the selected After Effects layer. Back in After Effects, click on the spacebar to see it in action. Don't like it? Command-Z and repeat. Now we'll add sound to our video to take it to the next level. Drag the file down onto your composition. Hit the spacebar to play. Now it's time to export your movie. Click on the Composition menu, Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. This launches Adobe Media Encoder. Once it appears in the queue, click on the Match Source High Bitrate link under Preset. Click the Output Name File Name link. Browse to your main MyAE video folder. Double-click on your .aep file to automatically give it the same name. The file format is a .mp4. Click Save. Click OK. Click the green play button. Once it's finished, go to your folder and play your video. Congratulations, your video is now ready for sharing. In the next tutorial, we'll explore timeline animations, speed adjustments, and adding drop shadows to text. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more graphic design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.